Welcome back to another episode of my Halloween series. Welcome back, all you spooky Sally. So if you're coming back after seeing the first video, or if you stumbled across this just somehow in the YouTube algorithm, what I'm doing is creating a series showing you how you can do easy, quick, affordable Halloween looks in no time that may or may not look like. Last week we did a skeleton look, which was probably not my best work, but you know, hey, I'm just trying to help you out. So if you like it, fine. If you don't, then well, just episode 2, a ghost. You're gonna look like you've passed away, so ghostly, obviously.
You're going to begin by outlining your cheeks, your forehead, and under your eyes with a light gray eyeshadow. You can blend the eyeshadow as you go with a bigger brush.
I've seen gods of the men and all which they fear.
Normally I'm trying to hide my dark circles and eye bags, but here I am trying to accentuate them with the gray eyeshadow. Next, you're going to take a black eyeshadow and with your brush very lightly go over the same spots you did with the gray eyeshadow. You're going to follow that same sequence of steps around your forehead, cheeks, and mouth. Make sure that you're blending as you go. This next part is not really necessary, but I thought it brought the whole look together. I then brushed over my entire face with a very light tan powder. I'm using a deep red color to create the same dimension that I used when we did the skeleton look.
I can feel the cold hand of death and the end drawing near. I've seen gods of the men and all which they fear. To me, songs of the darkness, farewell to heaven, my friend. Come to me, bury your sorrow, temptation with the condemned. Sing to me, songs of the darkness, farewell to heaven, my friend.
I'm lining my waterline with black gel eyeliner.
That's all for the ghost look. And like I've said before in my last episode, with any of these looks, you can dress them up with the costume and hair and accessories, and in a dark room, you can probably pull it off with for a pretty good makeup. But for 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, I feel like it's a pretty solid look. I don't know, maybe I'm completely off and it looks like absolute garbage, but hey, I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram too at NicoleSco. And let me know if you tried any of these creations for a chance to be featured on my Instagram highlights. See you next time. Bye. So this isn't, that's just not happening. Start the, why is this the way it is? Why am I like this? What is happening? I can't find the video. Is this even it? Jeez. So, see you next week.